In order to change the sleep time for your Android device, you need to move towards Settings on your device. Once you click on Settings, you get the corresponding menu structure and scroll down to Display. You click on Display in order to find the corresponding settings in there. And inside Display, you have the option Sleep, and you click on it. And here you can choose between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. In order to have this working ideally with the Audio module in the Audiofitness app, choose the longest option you have available, which in this case is 30 minutes, and confirm this by clicking on that option. Now your Audiofitness app is ready to continuously work, and the sleep mode will not interrupt the longer training sessions that are consecutive. Enjoy!